Assalamu alaikum friends. Here is 8 PSD file of magazine mockup. These are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime in $4.99. And here is my Facebook page, Sheri SK. You can follow this. I will provide every video like my channel, and subscribe this Telegram channel here, SK official. I will provide every link of video first here. Okay, so you can put your own design. I know you can do easily. Just import your photo or your design, press Ctrl S for saving. Page 1 2 3. Okay, here is page 1. Double click. Now we need the image, high definition image like this one. Drag here, Ctrl S, and you see our image is here. Next is same thing, drag here, Ctrl S, and yeah, our design is ready. Last is here, so pick any design. They just need a color, you see here. Okay, now our magazine is ready. Here is a background. Depend your own choice. Okay, now, and here is 4. Sorry, cover 1, cover 2, page 1, page 2. Okay, here is a page, here is design 1, design 2, and here is, open this one and import any photo. Ctrl S, and you see our photo is there. You can use as a photo frame, depend your own choice. I say again password in this app, and follow me on my Facebook page. Here is my Telegram group, Sheri SK official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.